huge pallet dropped off at the house that says Milwaukee Tool. Alright guys, so I unpacked the Milwaukee Tool 366 piece Master Mechanic set here. So we're going to go through it and I'm going to show you, this is just how I unpacked it and laid it out. Things will change around as you'll see. But top drawer here, we got screwdrivers and pry bars. So pry bars, screwdrivers. Next drawer down, we got pliers and pick tools. So these are like radiator hose, pick tools, stuff like that. Comes in really nice foam. These are really cool right here. These are some of my favorite ones that they make right here. Extended reach needle nose pliers. Next drawer down, we got lockjaw pliers, adjustable wrench, and more pliers. Next drawer down, oh, I forgot to unpack it. I'll have to come back to that one. So the drawer that I forgot to unpack, we got ball peen hammers, we got snap ring pliers. These are pretty cool. So you gotta see if I can do this right. Oh, it's got a lock on it. So you push the lock button and twist, and now it's the opposite direction. Pretty cool. So pretty cool. You got your marker, your tape measure, Allen keys here with the ball socket on the end, which is pretty cool feature. All right, next drawer down. Lock that bad boy. Unlock the next one. Now we got metric wrenches from 8mm to 22. These are your standard wrenches. These are I-beam construction. I've had a set of these now for about 5 years and absolutely love them. Next one is we got our standard wrenches from 1/4 inch to 1 inch here. Same thing, I-beam construction. And then they got the red laser etching in there so you can see what sizes they are. Pretty cool. These are metric ratcheting wrenches here. And then you can swap these around drawers. These trays all come out, so you can take them with you and you can swap them around and organize them however you want them. And this is going to be the standard set here, 1/4 to 1 inch. And then you can take the Packout boxes and you can move them around however you want to do this. This is pretty cool, and you can add to it too. So they're all Packout here. We'll go down low. See what we're working with. Ooh, here we go. We got looks like all metric here. We got shallow and deep, 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive, and let's see if this is 1/2 inch drive. Yes, it is 1/2 inch drive. So 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch drive. So 1/4 inch goes from 5mm up to 15. The 3/8 drive goes from 6mm to 19, and the 1/2 inch drive goes from 10 to 19, and we got the shallow set goes to 22, actually 24, sorry. Pretty cool. Standard set here. Pretty much the same thing as the metric, just in standard. Now this is pretty cool. This is all your bit drivers, your Torx, your hex, metric and standard, impact sockets, 3/8 drive, spark plug sockets, and down here we got all of our ratchets, extensions, wobblies, and a set of pick tools. Pretty cool. It comes with the rolling cart here, the locking casters. Like I said, you could just keep stacking this higher and higher if you want to. Swap them out. They also sell these in individual, so you can buy just the one set or each module you can buy. Another cool feature is if you should lose any one of these tools, they sell individual. You can get the individual stocks. So here's a QR code right here. You would just scan it or go onto Milwaukee's website, and you can order any replacement, anything you lose. So if you were to lose the pliers, you could get one. So one of the things I'm going to do, just out of curiosity, is I'm going to price all this out individually. I'm going to take some time. It's going to take some time to do this because it's 366 pieces here. But I'm going to price it all out and see how much you actually save by buying it in a modular set like this. This kit retails for $4,000.